Hello everyone, this is our today's problem of the day on lead code solving question with brain power, in which we have to given a 2D integer array questions where question of I is equals to points of I and brain power of I. Okay, and the array describes the question of an exam where we have to process the question in order and make a decision whether to solve or skip the question. Solving the question I will earn the points of I, but we will be unable to solve the next brain power I questions. Okay, and if you skip question I, you get to make the decision on the next question. For example, given example 3 2 4 3 4 4 and 2 5. If we solve the question 0, and then we will earn the point 3, but we will be unable to solve the next two problem. So we cannot solve this problem, cannot solve this problem. We will move to the this problem. Okay, and if you leave this problem, so we can go to the next problem, and we can take the decision on the next problem whether I have to solve it or not solve it. Okay, after that we have to return the maximum points that we can earn for the exam, and the constant of the problem is array length will be 10 to the power 5, and question of, since question will be 2D array, so question of I dot length will be 2. 2 means 2 array for each I, like points of I and brain power of I. Okay, and points of I, brain power of I constant will be less than or equals to 10 to the power 5. So let's try to solve the problem, and first understood the problem, then try to build the approach for the problem. Okay, this is our today's this is example number 1, in which you have to given the 4 question. First is 3 2 4 3 4 4 and 2 5. Okay, and we have to maximize the point. Remember this, we have to maximize the point. Okay, so for maximizing the point, I will try to take the maximum points, and we have to also make the decision of whether I have to take it or not take it. Okay, so it's something feels like the problem knapsack where I have to take or not take. Okay, so here, like if I am taking this problem, I will earn the 3 points. Okay, but we cannot solve the next two problem. Okay, so if I solve this, I will able to solve this problem. Okay, so the total sum will be 3 plus 2, that will be 5. Okay, and if I take this, so I cannot able to solve the next 3 problem because this brain power of I, so I cannot solve this, so the sum will be 4. Okay, and if I solve this, so I cannot solve the next 4 problem. So next 4 problems, it's also not exist, so we cannot take cannot earn more than 4. Okay, so the maximum points will be out of 5 4 and 4, that will be the 4. Hope you understand this. If standing at any index I can take it. If I take it, my points will be increased by points of I. Okay, my point will be increased by points of I, but I will be, we have to skip the next brain of power of I problem. So like if I say the brain power of I is equal to B of I. Okay, so we can go only I plus Bi plus 1. We have to speak this problem, and we can try to solve the problem, that will be I plus Bi plus 1. Okay, so and if I not take it, then I can do I plus 1. So hope you understand this. If I take it, my point will be increased by P of I, and my I will be I plus Bi plus 1. Means we have to skip the next Bi problems, and else I can not take it point, so I can just go to the next question by skipping this problem. Okay, hope you understand this. Let's understand. Let's try to understand the second example. Okay, this is our second example in which you have to given the 5 problem 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5 5. Okay, so if I will take this, I cannot take this, I cannot take next 1 point, so I can take this. If I can take this, I cannot take the next 3, so I cannot take this all this problem. So my sum will be 3 plus 1, that will be 4. Okay, and if I can take this, so if I can take this, I cannot take these two. Okay, so I should take these two, so our sum will be 2 plus 5, that will be 7. And if I skip the problem, this problem, I will already go to the this problem, and at this problem I can take it by taking the sum will be 2 plus I plus bi plus 1, means I, that will be 0, plus bi, that will be 2 plus 1, means 0 plus 2 plus 1, that will be, sorry, 1 plus 2 plus 1, index is 1, so that will be 4. So we will reach here. Okay, because we have to skip these two, so sum will be 7. And if I standing at here, I will try to take the point here. So we have to skip the next 3 problem. So by skipping the next 3, we will be out of the my question area, so the sum will be 3 only, and so on 4, and so on 5. We can also take this 1 plus 5, that will be 6. Okay, and 2 plus 5 7. Okay, this is all the possible, and so 1 will be also possible, like we can solve only this problem, can solve only 3 2, but among all the sum will be, maximum sum will be 7. So this is the output. Let's try to code it. Okay, hope you understand this. This is simple knapsack DP based pattern problem. I hope you can able to find the pattern in this problem. Let's try to code it. Okay, so for coding the problem, what I will do, I will just use the recursive DP, in which I will make a solve function which contains 2 parameters. One is 2D DP questions, and one other is integer I, that will tell the index. Okay, and if I greater than equals to q dot size, so I'll just return 0, because I am able to find the, because I am out of the bound of the my problem. So first I will take it. If I am taking the current problem, so I will earn the points of I. So this will be the points of I, plus I have to skip the next b of I, means Boolean power of I problem. So this will be the next b of I problem plus 1. Okay, and in maxi 2 is equals to, we have to skip the next, I am skipping the current problem. Okay, so q I plus 1. Okay, and then I will just return the maximum of maxi comma maxi 2, and let me make this long. Okay, return solve q comma I will be 0. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, yeah, our problem is running for all the test cases. Since it's a deep problem, you have to use memoization, and for memoization I am using a vector of dp. That will be long type, because of a story you have to return a long. Okay, so what we'll do, we will resize the dp with the q dot size, and that will be the -1. And if I am able to find the dp of I that is not -1, means I already store this value, so I'll just return dp of I, and I will just return here dp of I, that will be maximum of this. Okay, So why I am doing this? I am taking value. I am taking value points of I and I am skipping. Okay, I am skipping next I plus q of I comma 1 problem. And we can take decision only next problem. That's why I am doing I plus q of I comma 1 q of I 1 and plus 1. Okay, hope you understand this. Here I am skipping the current problem, and here I am returning my maximum answer. Okay, so like here if I take this, I cannot take next two, means I cannot take next this I have to go to this. So for going to this, I have to, what I have to do, I plus bfi plus 1, so I can reach here. Okay, hope you understand the problem. Let's run it. Yeah, it's accepted. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it's accepted. Okay, and then let's talk about time complexity and space complexity. Time complexity of this solution will be O of n, and space complexity of this solution will also be O of n, because I am using the DP table for storing the values. Hope you understand the problem. Let's try to, in this video